Hi there, everyone. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Today, we are going to know about how to compress a file in online. It's a very easy and simple task. Anyone can do it. So, let's start. First of all, we will go to the Google and type online compress file and then hit the enter. After that, we will see we will see some websites will pop up. So we have to select the first one or second one, depends on the choice. All of them are free. Then we have to select the file which we want to compress it and upload. After uploading, it may take some time. After uploading the file, it will start to compress. After clicking start, then it may take some time. Look, it's amazing. The size of the file has been reduced and we can just see it. And if you want, you can download it after the after the compress. Hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next video. Thank you.